Hey there, it's Vishon, and I'm back in the shop again to build my next project with that big mama of pallets. If you saw that in the last video, you'll understand why I needed such long wood and such a huge pallet to do what I'm doing. So without further ado, here's my next project. So here's what I decided to make, a sofa charging station. This was my initial drawing, and this is what the finished project will look like. You can see it's a great place to charge all of your electronic devices. Here's the cuts you're going to want to make. You can pause this video to write those down. The hardest cut is this one right here. This is for the power strip that you're going to put into the charging station. You want to cut a little area so that the power strip fits right in, and then make a shallow box for the charging station to rest on. And here's how I did it. I cut two 1-inch strips, and then I used a chisel in order to cut that in. The important thing when using a chisel is you want the flat side of the chisel, the wood chisel, to be facing the good wood. In other words, the wood you're not going to throw away. The piece that you're cutting out, make sure that the bumpy side or angled side is facing outward. And then just start by tapping lightly, and then you can get a little more forceful once you get your groove in. And you'll see that I was able to pop out those strips, those 1-inch strips, pretty easily. And then later I'll sand that down. Here's how I attach everything with clamps and a nail gun. So you can see it's coming together now very easily. There's the power strip hole. And now it's looking really good, starting to come together. And here's my finished box for the power strip. And now I just need to tack that on. The easiest way to do that, and you can see here the wire comes out the back, so it's easy to set up, but the easiest way to do that is to put clamps on there so that it holds it in place, and then use that nail gun and just go around the edge, being careful not to shoot nails through the outside of it. There's the finished piece. And next step is to stain and finish. And I chose a honey oak from Minwax. And I even painted the box there, and you can see how it turned out. So now it's behind the couch. It's working out well. It also has an added benefit of shoe storage for my sons, because they always are throwing their shoes in the hall, and it really turned into a great project. Be sure to check out the Tough Mama blog for the full plans, and we'll see you on our next project.